Hey guys, if your Vivint control panel has a blank screen, won't wake up, or doesn't respond when you touch the display, you're in the right place. This issue can happen because the backup battery is completely discharged. The panel has lost AC power, a circuit breaker has tripped, the display is restarting after a software update, or the system has experienced a temporary hardware fault. In some cases, the panel may appear off even though it's still receiving power but hasn't completed its startup process. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. 1. Confirm the control panel is receiving power from its wall outlet or power supply. 2. Check the home circuit breaker and restore power if the security system circuit has tripped. 3. Press and hold the power button for several seconds to restart the panel. 4. Leave the panel connected to power and allow a few minutes for the display to finish booting. 5. Inspect the backup battery connection if the screen remains completely blank.